Alright, this is vlog 2. Headed west to Taylor Lake Park, and hopefully there won't be a bunch of people there because it's nice to have an open park to fly in without any worries of hitting people. Yeah, let's go rip. Alright, so just like last time, there's a massive thunderstorm over there that's slowly creeping its way inward. Hopefully it doesn't downpour on me. Last time I just barely cut it before the rain came in. Alright, so we just got into the park. Hang on a second. Okay, so we just got into the park. It's looking a little bit overcast. I don't know how well you guys can tell, but it's a little bit overcast. I think I can still fly in the overcast. Hopefully it won't mess up my camera too much, but right now I'm just driving to see if the main spot I'm trying to fly is open, and I believe it is. This big open field over here. Alright. Looks like a nice spot to me. I think it should be nice. The last time I was at this park, I was overrun by disc golfers across the lake over there. There's 18 holes over there. It's a nice setup over there, but there's almost always people there, so I like to stick to over here. Should be a nice spot, I think. Big open field with pine forest behind me.
Can't run too farther. I need love. I can't talk to you, mother. I know it's got you caught up, but your sweet sinless sensation is not my style, and I'm not giving up. But tell me if I run away, how long will I bleed? Tell me if I run away, how long will I bleed? Colors blend, raw black and white. God damn it, I cannot bend. I'm all shivered inside, but your sweet sinless sensation is not my style, and I'm not giving up. So tell me if I run away, how long will I bleed? Tell me if I run away, how long will I bleed?
Alright, so it just started to rain. That big cloud is very slowly starting to bring in some rain. I don't know if you can come across from the GoPro, but it is indeed drizzling a tiny bit. And I just got one pack in, so my plan is to just throw all this stuff genuinely in that bag and then just wait in the car for it to hopefully blow over. Alright, the rain has blown over, I believe. Now it's just mostly intermittent clouds, but the bulk of it you can't really see, but it's back there behind those trees. So let's continue to the rip.
I'll be trying to suck the liquid out the dirt, trying to catch a curve. digging my own grave. Mama. What your sweet sinless sensations, not my style. And I'm not giving up, so tell me if I run away. How long will I bleed? Tell me if I run away. How long will I
Alright, so that's the end of vlog 2 for today. Tell me what you guys thought. Do you like this vlogging stuff or not? I'm definitely going to come back flying at this spot again. I really like it. I should have brought my gimbal. I could have got some really nice cinematics from here. It would have been really nice to fly through here a bit more. But yeah, that's the end for today. Onward and upward. All of this stuff in. In. We're out.